Hello guys, a very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So welcome to Textbook Super Coaching Regulatory Bodies. So guys, in this particular session, we are going to talk around JAIB May 2025 exam date as well as registration one. Okay, so recently IIBF, which is exam conducting body for your JIB as well as DBF, Diploma in Banking and Finance. So they recently they come up with their notification and so basically we will go through the entire notification. क्या होता है आपका कब से registration start हो गए हैं, ठीक है, और like what are the date, important date for this particular examination as well as the examination fee, the basic ideas or the new changes about the JIB and DVF examination. Okay, so first of all guys, this time they come up with some changes. So earlier aspirants, they have an option to select the timing also, time slot. So basically this examination is get conducted among three different shifts: morning, afternoon and evening. Okay, so now this time you do not have that particular opportunity to select the time duration. So basically they'll allot the admit cards before 15 days of your examination, and they'll mention you, they'll generally let you know about the exam dates or your timing as well. Okay, so your registration for JIB May 2025, which is already started, and they have start taking registration for this examination from 4th of February 2025 itself, right? तो 4 फरवरी 2025 जहां से आपके रजिस्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट हो चुके हैं, एंड इट विल लास्ट टिल 24th of February 2025, ठीक है. So basically the last date is 24th February 2025. Now there are some like they say there are some benefit which are generally associated with early registration. If you register yourself till 10th of February, so there will be normal examination fee. But if you register in next week, that means 11 to 17, so you have to pay 100 rupees additional, or 18 to 24th you have to pay 200 rupees additional. Okay, so if you have that mindset, like you are going for May JIB or DBF examination, so I'll recommend go for the early registration. आपको एक तो लेट फी नहीं पे करना पड़ेगा, दूसरा you'll get allotment of that center or the time duration at the early shift. Okay, तो पहला ये एग्जाम डेट आपके हैं, ठीक है, सॉरी रजिस्ट्रेशन डेट आपके हैं, तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, ध्यान रखिएगा. जो लोग भी आपका तैयारी कर रहे हैं JIB एग्जामिनेशन की, JIB इज जनरली फॉर बैंकर्स and DBF is generally for non-member or non-bankers, those who are pursuing their career in banking or finance section. Okay, so now what are the exam dates? So as we all know, we have 4 papers which are generally part of JIB examination and as well as DBF. There is no changes in DBF and your JIB course curriculum. Okay, so we have same date for JIB as well as DBF. So your first paper, like the entire curriculum for your examination is in the month of May 2025. So your first paper will be on 4th, which is paper 1, Indian economy and Indian financial system. Then second paper आपका 10th, which is principle and practices of banking. Then third one is paper number 3, 11th May, which is accounting and finance, financial management for bankers. And 18th आपका the final paper, which is called RBWM, retail banking and wealth management. Okay, so these are the 4 subjects which you have to pass to certified as JIB और DBF. ठीक है, तो अब इनका जैसे आप लोगों में बहुत सारी क्वेरीज होंगी, लाइक व्हाट इज द पास क्राइटेरिया and how many attempts like we generally get once we enroll with IIBF. ठीक है, तो अगर ऐसी आपकी कोई भी queries हैं, if you are unaware about these particular things, so you can mention into the comment section. So accordingly I'll come up with new videos जो आपको help करेंगे. ठीक है, तो 4 सब्जेक्ट होते हैं. These are the 4 subjects which are generally part of your JIB exam curriculum, and you have to pass all the 4 subjects, and your minimum, like the pass criteria is 50 marks. Okay, so out of 100 marks, like हर एक पेपर आपका 100 marks का होता है. ठीक है, 4 अलग अलग डेज में आपका ये पेपर होंगे, एंड हर एक पेपर के अंदर आपको यू हैव टू स्कोर एटलीस्ट 50. सिंगल अटेम्प्ट के कुछ बेनिफिट होते हैं, क्रेडिट के कुछ बेनिफिट होते हैं. विल टॉक दोज पर्टिकुलर थिंग्स इन द कमिंग सेशंस एज वेल. ठीक है, if you are if you have a doubt about the questions, or like the registration fee and all, ठीक है. So the membership, like let's say if you are applying for the very first time for JIB or DBF examination, so your amount will be 4,000 plus GST. But देखो क्या होता है, once you take membership of IIBF which is exam conducting body for JIB, so like if you attempt second time, ठीक है, जैसे let's say अगर first time attempt में आपका पेपर क्लियर नहीं होता है या 4 में से सिर्फ 2 ही पेपर क्लियर होते, तो 2 पेपर आपको दोबारा से देने पड़ेंगे, एंड सेकंड टाइम इट इज 13 प्लस जीएसटी, ठीक है. तो सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, तो 3 साल का टाइम आपके पास होता है, एंड विद इन 3 years यू हैव टू क्लियर दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जामिनेशन. बट इतना टफ नहीं है इफ यू focus on some topics, or if you work on some strategies and all that, so you'll be able to clear this particular examination in single attempt, ठीक है. And like we have maximum bankers जिन्होंने ये चीजें आपका लास्ट में पास्ट में आपका प्रूव की हैं, ठीक है. तो दोस्तों ये आपका रजिस्ट्रेशन है JAIB एग्जामिनेशन के लिए, ठीक है, फॉर बैंकर्स, एंड फॉर नॉन बैंकर्स इट इज जनरली नोन एज डिप्लोमा इन बैंकिंग एंड फाइनेंस. सो रजिस्ट्रेशन आर ऑलरेडी स्टार्टेड. If you are a banker, if you want to pursue for this particular one, so I'll suggest go for the early registration. If you have any queries, please do mention into the comment section. If you are a banking aspirant, or if you are planning like to build your career in banking fields, if you want to do diploma in banking and finance, so that is also the same things. Again आपका same route होगा. So first the step one is you have to take membership of IIBF. For that sake you have to pay 1600 plus GST. After taking membership of IIBF, you have to apply for JAIB examination. Okay. इसके अलावा आप लोगों की जो भी queries हैं, so please do mention those particular queries into the comment section. आप में से कितने लोग आपका JAIB examination या DBF examination की preparation कर रहे हैं, ये भी आपका comments के थ्रू लिख के बताइएगा, ठीक है. And if you need any other help from my side, just do mention into the comment section. I'll definitely help you out. तो जो भी आपके queries हैं उनको solve करने की कोशिश करेंगे. So this is it from my side, guys. Thank you for joining this session. Thank you for watching this session. Bye bye. Take care all, and have a nice day. Thank you, and all the very best for your preparation.